What's up guys, welcome back to 4x4 Jumpman, and today we're going to do some custom vinyl decals that I made. I made this because we're going to enter a show called the 4x4 show here in Sydney. It's going to be in July. So hopefully when I enter with these decals and all the accessories and mods in my car, hopefully we can get in. So I made these decals because I had a bit of spare vinyl and I didn't want to use it all because it wouldn't fit on the side of my car. So I've just made a vinyl custom one, and I'm gonna put some Chica name on my car, and then as well as the sun on the other side of the car. Alright, let's install the vinyl and let's see if it looks good or not. So with the 4x4 show, it's gonna be shortlisted to only 10, and I'm gonna be going for the stallion category. So I think it's more of a show car and more of a more crawler kind of car. Yeah, so Sydney has a lot of cool 4x4 cars, and they got really good mods. So I'm not sure if my mods are good enough, but because it's still in process, I still need to put the snorkel, also the rebar, as well as the sidebar. We'll see if we can get in. We'll see if this custom vinyl decal will help us get into the show. And the prize money is about $1,000 if you win, and we'll see how we go. Now we're gonna do the other side, which is the left side, and we're gonna do the decal of the sun. So it'll be like a sunrise, sunset type of custom decals. So why I named my Ranger Chica, because Chica stands for Chicago, and it's one of my favorite team, which is the Chicago Bulls, since Jordan was playing there. On the other side, I have chosen the sun. It symbolizes the sunrise or the sunset. When I go on an adventure, I love watching the sunrise or the sunset. The sun also comes from the Filipino flag, and it represents where I come from. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and let me know what you think of these decals that I put on my car. And also comment below on what type of decals you would put on your 4x4.